You have probably seen those faceless YouTube videos popping up everywhere lately. Smooth editing, AI voices, clean visuals, and content that just works. And behind the scenes, these channels are pulling in huge amounts of money every month. But here's the crazy part. Most of them aren't using actors, cameras, or voiceovers. It's all digital, all automated, and all scalable. That's because with new AI tools, improved content gaps, and smarter strategies, it's now possible to build a full-time YouTube income without ever showing your face, or saying a single word, or even touching a camera. So today I want to break down 3 of the most promising faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025. We'll start with one that's easy and broad, then go all the way up to a more advanced niche that has massive potential once it takes off. Let's begin with a niche that's quietly exploding right now: business and finance. Let's be real, everyone wants to make more money, save smarter, or invest better. That's why business and finance content works so well. This niche allows you to talk about money, but without showing your face or sounding like a Wall Street analyst. You can create videos that explain side hustles, passive income ideas, saving tips, investing basics, or even breakdowns of trending economic news, all using AI-generated voiceovers and simple stock footage or animations. Your job is to take complex money-related topics and make them simple, fun, and easy to follow. For example, you might create a video titled "How the Rich Avoid Taxes Legally" or "Why Everyone's Talking About High-Yield Savings Accounts." You can get more ideas from ChatGPT with a simple prompt like this. To make this even easier, you can use AI tools to generate scripts, voiceovers, and visuals, turning your ideas into full YouTube videos in just a few moments. For example, you can use Vexub.com. Just put the video title and it will automatically generate scripts for you. You can create videos in short or long formats with AI voice and engaging visuals with just simple clicks. So check this out, here is an example for you. You can check out the features and the subscription packages. I think that will be worth it if you are serious about content creation. And because this niche attracts a more serious action-oriented audience, it opens up more revenue streams like affiliate marketing, digital products, or even financial brand sponsorships down the line. It's beginner-friendly, monetizable, and timeless because no matter what happens in the world, people will always care about their money. But if you are more of a dreamer and a thinker, someone who loves exploring the edges of imagination and possibility, then this second niche might be perfect for you. Let's talk about conceptual sin and hypothetical futurism. Now, before you think this means you have to teach physics or solve math problems, hold on. This niche is more about asking questions than answering them. What if Earth had rings like Saturn? What if the sun suddenly vanished for 60 seconds? What if humans lived underwater? You don't need to be a scientist. You just need curiosity and creativity. People love this kind of content because it takes their mind to places they have never imagined before. It's fun, mind-bending, and surprisingly relaxing to watch. With today's AI tools, you can visualize all of these ideas without being an animator. You simply describe the scene, maybe a futuristic underwater city glowing in the dark depths, and let the AI generate your footage. Then you layer a calm AI voiceover or text-to-speech narration and you are done. What really sets this niche apart is how viral it can be. One unique idea can travel fast, especially if it hits the sweet spot between education and imagination. This kind of content not only attracts massive viewership, but also builds a highly engaged audience. But if you are thinking long term, if you are looking for a niche that could grow into a real digital brand, then the third idea must be blow your mind. Let's dive into another niche: documentary storytelling. We are not talking about full-length Netflix-style docs here. These are short, impactful, highly produced videos that explore fascinating topics from around the world. Stories most people have never heard of. They might be based on hidden tribes, lost inventions, unsolved mysteries, underground movements, or forgotten civilization. The beauty of this niche is that the world is overflowing with stories. Most of them are just sitting in books, buried in Reddit threads, tucked away in old documentaries, waiting for someone to repackage them into compelling modern content. You research the story, you write a script, then you generate visuals with stock clips, achieve footage, or AI-generated scenes. Add a strong AI narration, dramatic music, and a hook that makes people need to know how it ends. This kind of storytelling has built cult-like audiences. Not only do people binge this content, but they also trust the creator more, which opens up sponsorships, premium content models, and even merch opportunities down the road. So let's bring it all together. We have explored 3 faceless YouTube channel ideas for 2025 that are completely beginner-friendly but built for serious results. So tell me, which one are you going to build? Let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to start, check the description for tools that can help you turn your faceless ideas into full-scale YouTube success. Hope this video helps you start your new faceless channel. I will catch you in the next one.